What's the meaning of chieftain? Chieftain. Chieftain.
Chieftain. Chieftain. A chieftain is a leader or head of a tribe or clan. This person would be afforded significant respect and authority within their community, responsible for decisions that affected the group's well-being. In some societies, chieftains were chosen through familial lineage, while in others, leadership might be earned through feats of strength or intelligence. Due to their influential roles, chieftains often held significant political power, with the ability to make decisions that could have significant consequences for their followers. Overall, a chieftain was a crucial figure in the cultural and political landscape of many traditional societies.